So magpa-park na kami dito sa Park and Fly. Hindi siya Park and Fly. Parking inside NAIA. Ito yung parking ng NAIA Terminal 3. We got here very early kasi as you can see, ang daming nakapark. Maghahanap kami ng slot sa amin. Pero most probably sa taas na yung pinakamaraming bakante. Okay, so dito kami nakapark ngayon sa Terminal 3. We're already packed. We got here 11:20 because I was anticipating na mahirap mag-park. Pero okay naman. This is the current situation, guys. Let's just self-check-in, okay? Ayun, guys. My God, di pa ako nakapagkilay pero magbablog na ako. Waiting na lang kami. We got here 4 hours earlier than our boarding time because we thought that there will be a lot of people. Apparently, manageable naman yung mga tao dito. Dito na kami sa Hotel Simon ng aming patutulugan. Oh. Hmm?
So
hi guys, so kumain kami kanina, hindi ko na na-video kasi we were so tired already. But we're just gonna spend the night here in Kalibo. And then we booked the transit na to Boracay, from Kalibo Airport to Boracay to our hotel for tomorrow. So gigising kami ng 5 AM. Medyo hassle to, guys. Just a tip, if you're planning to go to Boracay, don't book a flight to Kalibo. Kahit no matter how cheap it is, don't book a flight in Kalibo unless gusto nyo medyo mahaselan. But yeah, since we're at it already, wala, paninindigan na namin to, and we're just gonna adjust our schedule. So yeah, good night. Good night, love. Wala na. Good morning, guys. So pupunta na ulit kami ng Kalibo Airport para makapunta kami ng Boracay kasi doon kami nag-book ng service going to our Boracay hotel. Ang ganda ng hotel namin dito sa Kalibo. This is called Hotel Simon. Hi, love. And it's 6 AM. Yung start nung service around 7 PM. Ay, 7 AM. So we might just have coffee na lang sa Kalibo Airport. We're gonna check out already. And from Hotel Simon going to Kalibo Airport, 150 pesos. Unfortunately, the service that we booked failed to pick us up kasi wala kaming kasabay papuntang Kalibo. So what we did was we rode a van going to Caticlan Jetty Port, which costs 150 pesos. So sa aming dalawa, 300 pesos each.
Ma'am, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 po yung seat number natin. Dito po tayo.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Mabuhay host. Saan yung mabuhay host? Dito na kami sa Astoria Current. Kakain muna kami somewhere. Mag-brunch. Ito siya. And then paglabas mo, beach na. Ayan, ang aming pool. Dito, pwede kami kumuha ng bibingka mamaya. Ito siya. Ayan, lakad muna tayo, guys. Ganda, no?
May ano kayo? Tubig?
So, kakain muna kami. Ano masasabi mo? First time, as a first timer in Boracay. Ganda, na? Maganda talaga siya. Kakain muna kami. Gusto mo sa chicken inasal tayo?
Harap pa tayo.
Sir, saan po ang D-Mall? Diyan pa po.
Ito po, nasa station 3 na po kayo. Yung D-Mall po, nasa station 2.
Doon yung mga kainin.
Babalik po kayo para...
Thank you po. Ito daw, masarap daw dito, love. Sunnyside. Medyo expensive lang. Ayan, no? Gusto mo?
May breakfast na ba dyan?
Breakfast yan. Pwede lakad muna tayo.
Ano ka balilaran? Tamban? Kita nyo kinabilang ako.
Kasi.
Hindi ba ako rin ba yung sarili?
Gagi!
Ito po. May try po kayo?
Opo, try po, sir. We're drenched. We're drenched in rainwater. Our food also. Ayun guys, we still have 2 hours until our check-in time. So pupunta muna kami sa by the beach. May available seat po. Hi guys! So si Aldo na yung mag-room tour po. Ano yung mga meron tayo dito sa ating hotel? We got the Astoria Current Standard Room. So papakita ni Aldwin kung ano yung meron dito. So here, akala niya nakatakip lang siya, pero it's a microwave oven. Meron siyang kasamang microwave oven, merong fridge, meron tayong faucet dito sa labas. May robe, 2 robe. And then we have 2 bedrooms as well. We got the standard room for 5,000 pesos. If you plan to add additional packs, magbabayad kayo. But that I didn't ask anymore. Merong mirror dito, another faucet, and then dito yung CR niya. Kompleto yan with toothpaste, toothbrush, lotion. You have also shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. And then 2 sets of towel. Ayan. Meron din tayong TV with Wi-Fi and internet. You're not allowed to smoke. We also have a huge mirror here for your selfies. And yan. Para rin makikita yung OOTD ninyo. So, ito ang aming room. Ano masasabi mo sa room natin, love?
Malaki.
Malaki na, maganda. Imagine yung sa Zambales natin, 5K. Tapos ito na yung 5K nila, malaki. So, ito siya, guys.
Ano yung masarap? Yung birthday. Thank you.